guys. Here we go, here we go. Alright. It's your boy, your cousin Dustin. Here we go, back again. 3:35 in the afternoon on a Friday, February 6th. Here we go, here we go. The market is generally green today. Look at that. We got Meta down 1.55%, Google down 2.64%, Amazon down 6.59%, but a lot of stuff looking pretty green. Nvidia up 7.89%, looking very nice. We like to see that. AMD recovering from that 15% drop. Now it's up 7.91% today. Very cool. Was it GE? Yeah. GE is up 5.28%. Tesla up 4.24%. Look at this. We got a lot of fun going on in the markets here today, guys. Let's do this. Let's check out the cryptos. Cryptos, keep you on your toes. Alright. Alright. Here we go. Stock market for you in the show. Alright. If Bitcoin hits I guess this is like a little conversation that they're having over here about crypto banks. Kind of something fun to check out. I think we're going to do a deeper dive into Bitcoin today. We'll cover some of the, obviously we're going to go over the stocks and stuff like that. But I think we're just going to read a bunch of stuff about Bitcoin. See how that goes. It's getting down there in some lower levels. It hit 60,000. Let's read about Bitcoin today. We'll read this article, then we'll get back to the broader markets. Or this is not an article. This is like a weird chat. MicroStrategy clarifies breaking point. What are the odds that BTC reaches $8,000? Whoa. What do you think, guys? Michael Saylor's recent comments referencing $8,000 Bitcoin scenario sparked loud reactions while the headline grabbed attention. Most traders agree the context matters. This was not a prediction but a stress test extreme explaining how resilient MicroStrategy's balance sheet is. Boy, if it hits $8,000, hold on to your butts. How CT reacted. Many traders on X called the $8,000 level purely hypothetical, pointing out it would require an 85 to 90% collapse from current prices. When was this? Others noted that even during prior Black Swan events, Bitcoin never revisited such deep historical lows once institutional adoption matured. Dang. A common take, if BTC ever hit $8,000, the global macro environment would already be in crisis territory. What the market is saying. On-chain data shows long-term holders still accumulating. Wow. Long-term. ETFs, sovereign interest, and corporate treasuries make a sustained return to $8,000 structurally unlikely. Saylor's message was interpreted as confidence, not fear. Bitcoin would have to completely break for MicroStrategy to be forced out. Bottom line, $8,000 Bitcoin is a theoretical floor, not a realistic target. Given current market structure, institutional involvement, and historical precedent, the odds of BTC reaching $8,000 are almost zero. Oh, buddy. And I got a little chart here for you. There's some comments. Let's see what the comments say. Continuum Systems says, who would believe such a ridiculous statement from someone with so much on the line? He is obviously lying to protect himself. Foolishness. Alright. Okay. Let's have a look at the charts. And then we'll have another look at something else. Probably Bitcoin related. Like I said, today I think we're going to stick mostly Bitcoin theme. The Dow Jones is up 2.37% on the day. The S&P 500 is up 1.85% on the day. Then we got old Bitcoin. It's up 12.33% on the day. $70,000. What do you guys think? You think that just a little kiss of 60,000 there? You think that was the end? The end of the pain? I don't think so. Some people might. Guys, remember, this is not financial advice. But, nah. Let's have a look. I mean, I don't know. It dropped pretty low, though. Is more capitulation needed? I don't know. We're gonna do something to you. Now look at me. Have a look at gold. It's rising. It's up 3.62% today. You know. Silver sitting there at 77. Silver at 77. That seems like something people like in the mind. Look at Bitcoin there, sitting at 70,000. Ooh, I'm gonna put the head back up. My hair is getting in my face. I need a haircut, but too powerful right now. I gotta keep it going. 5 days. Went down quite a bit there over the past month, huh? Over the past 3 months. I knew it. I knew it was going to happen. I wish you would stop doing that. That's me. It's user error. There it is. So over the past week, it's down 16.95%. Despite today's gains. Look at that line. Is it going to go lower? That's a 5-year chart. I can't help it, guys. They want to sell me some kind of warranty. They can't help but call me while I'm doing things. Alright. They truly can't help themselves. Ethereum is down at $2,064.41. XRP sitting at 145. Average crypto RSI right in the middle there. Sitting near the middle. On the Fear and Greed Index of cryptos, we're at extreme fear. I don't know. I say extreme fear right now. You're going to be really in extreme fear if Bitcoin goes down to 30,000 or 8,000 or whatever. This is CoinMarketCap's prediction market. Look at this. They got them everywhere, don't they? They just got them everywhere, don't they? What price will Bitcoin hit in February? What do you guys think, guys? Will it be above 75,000, above 80,000, or below 60,000? presidential election winner in 2028. J.D. Vance, Gavin Newsom, or Marco Rubio. That's interesting. A Fed decision in March. No change. 25 beeps or 50 basis points. The Republican nominee, the Trumpster, put him up again. Oh man, wacky times we live in, guys. I don't even know how I feel about all this stuff, actually. For real, wacky stuff. What price will Ethereum hit in February? Below 1,600, below 1,400, or above 2,800? Alright, these are kind of lame, actually. All the same old stuff. But it's kind of fun that they have their own little market. Is it Polymarket? Is that what this is? Yeah, it's powered by Polymarket. Look at that. Well, would you look at that? Let's check out some stocks real quick before we head on. I want to see Palantir. What's it looking like? Palantir is at 136. Alright. So for me, obviously, guys, this is not financial advice, but the closer Palantir gets to $100 for me, I mean, obviously, the lower the better, but like, you know, if it's hanging around this range, this getting down near $100 range, I'm starting to like it, because I don't think Palantir is going to, like, stop growing anytime soon. I mean, it's, you know, keeping on, doing what it's supposed to do. But, I mean, they smashed on revenues or smashed on earnings and all that. So, yeah. Good stuff. Good stuff. We like that. Bitcoin Live on TradingView sitting at $70,382. No. There we go. Let's do this. I wanted to look at Salesforce. Salesforce. Guys. I'm a real person, real human being. Gosh. Salesforce. Down. 11.16% in the past 5 days. Down 27.52% in the past month. It's down 23.51% in the last 6 months. It's 3:55 in the afternoon. On a 1-year chart, it's down 42.4%. Over 5 years, it's down 20.21%. Okay.